Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kashlem ay jinghikai jong ka Woodland Institute of Nursing hagas ngi palay jong ka tayo kala penlong ya ka program Pynkup Burom ya ki Khynnah puli jong ka BSc Nursing nagabentaw snem arajar arpo ki bakin top ya ki General Nursing and Midwifery ne ki GNM but ki post basic BSc Nursing haga program kabala penlong haplau jong kani kaslam ajing hikai kabadan halat kor hagani kasngila dan hado shispa khan rengut ki nurse ki bala Pyndep ki Jingpule ki bagin thop ya life sangut ki BSc Nursing sanpu saungut ki post basic BSc Nursing but arpu hunyongut ki General Nursing and Midwifery ki bala sya Pynkup Burom hagani kasngi lawan banyan don kat langru dengan menteri ketenaga kot ke Khia ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo ke bala longgum ke Kongsan ke bala keren ru halor ke jinglong Kongsan jong ki nurse ha ke bede bat ke jing ai jing Syakri ke bakila ai sya ki pajba shusho nalor jong ke Dr. Amperin Ladan Langru, Managing Director jong ke Woodland Institute of Nursing, Dr. Werlok Karshiyeng, kinong tre jong ke Islam ajing hikai, bat kiwei.
With that important assignment of providing these medical institutions in a very immediate future. I am aware that Assam as a state has now 11 medical colleges. In fact, I had a special meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam to ask him his magic mantra. How did he manage to do that? And you will not believe what the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam told me. You just have to convert your existing systems into institutions where doctors can have hands-on learning experiences. Nurses already in the system can join hands, and we can have these much-awaited medical institutions. It is true that the government now is planning a government medical college in Shillong city. And it is true that we're going to be using the facilities of Ganejdas, of Civil Hospital, of Red Chest Hospital to ensure that we conform to the medical requirements for the starting of a medical college. It will happen. It will happen. And I sincerely hope that it will happen super fast. In Garo Hills sector, we're also planning a medical college. In Tura, things take time. I know there is an anxiousness and an anxiety much expectation for my two small shoulders, but I am willing to walk the talk and make sure that whatever can be done should be done. We will stop passing the buck. We have to take important decisions. And we have to make sure that we utilize these services with one intention in mind, and that is to provide for the state of Meghalaya the best healthcare system in the entire country. We are working very hard, I assure you that. And I hope that very shortly we will be able to do all of those things. But in the meanwhile, dear nurses, please work hard. That solemn vow that you just took is beautiful. It's a beautiful vow. So many lines, so many commitments. Were we just rattling off the vow, or did we understand what we were saying? And yes, you will have a lot on your shoulders once you get into professional nursing care. All of you want to start families, I'm very sure about that. But you will have all those bitter experiences as you move ahead in your professions. But I know one thing, if I could survive politics for this long, you will survive nursing for as long as it takes. I came a little late. I will contribute, I will collaborate. My assistant director, Madam Marbanyang, is sitting right there. You've invited the right person to this convocation, and I hope to see that all of you do not throw away this investment of learning. 3-4 years you're investing of your life into something like this. Do not regret that you were not doctors. Do not say that, okay, I could not qualify for the MBBS, so I'm here as a nurse. Don't be like that. Love what you're doing. I was qualified to teach in the college, but today I'm in politics. I'm adjusting to that change. It's okay. And if I can do it, all of you girls there can do it. Dear parents, these are the wonderful gifts that God has given us. They now have a wonderful tool in their hands. Please don't hold them back. Support them. Give them the necessary push, the support. Every mother and every father and every husband sitting in those chairs. Take on additional roles to allow these young girls to bloom into beautiful nurses, the nightingales of the next century, for the next generation. Thank you so much on behalf of my government. Congratulations. God bless you. For all students coming from other states, I hope that your stay here in Woodlands have given you an idea as to what the state of Meghalaya does for its people. Go back to your individual states and serve them and be pillars of strong strength in your respective state health systems. Thank you so much. Kublai Mithila. Jai Hind.